I am back with the final product. This is decorated and ready to share. I encourage you guys to make one of these. They're really, really simple. You could use up scraps, which I love. It uses stuff you already have, and I literally just made this with stuff that I had forever. All of this, my mind's eye, all of the cards and stickers and stuff I gotten from Tuesday morning, like who knows how long ago, forever. So really easy to make. They're bulky and fun. What I did with the cover is I had some lace trim in my stash. I put that here. I had some pom-pom trim. I really wished I had white. This is more of a cream, but it's fine. It's what I had. This is what the front looks like. I think I decorated this when I made the album. And then the back, I did the pom-pom trim. And then this also holds down your ribbon for your closure. So really, really simple, easy, pops open like this. And then I did a pocket here. And then I've got journal cards. And I shared, a lot of this stuff in that first video. And I staple things down. I don't really worry about it because once you start filling it out, and you can see I have my other videos that show you how these look when they're filled out, and they're really fun when they're filled out. So I did a little, and I used every bit of that little bit of paper that I had. And so got this. This is travel. Use all the stickers. So lots of room to journal, lots of room to put pictures, just journaling stuff. This would be fun to take with you on a camping trip or a vacation, and then you can just journal throughout your trip, and then at the very end you can put pictures in. And then we've got all the cards. And decorated. So, all this little stuff here. Turn that one into a pocket. I had lots of these the whole pack of those journal cards, so I made sure to use that. This one pops out, folds. More journal cards in the little pockets. And then, of course, you always can put these journal cards, if you want to use them as mats. You could put pictures on the backs of them. You could journal. If I remember, I will put links to my other journals that I made. And I think I forgot to mention in the first video that I learned how to make these. And there's a couple different people who've made ones similar. But the one that I used, the tutorial I used, was Creative Crafticality. So I'll link to her videos as well so that you guys can take a look. I turned this into a pocket on the side, and then I put all these fun cards in here. Lots of places for pictures and journaling. I just stapled this. You can put a picture back here. You have hidden journaling. Tag. And then right here, you could just totally journal the end of your trip. And then there you go. And it's all ready to go. And I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I will periodically, I don't know how often because I do like to make cards, be using up my cards and envelope pack. I did talk about that in the first video, that I have an exorbitant amount of them. If you have ideas on things you'd like me to do or tutorials, let me know. But I've seen quite a few, so I might be set. But maybe you know of something unique, but I have tons of these, like 10 packs of them. 10 packs? I don't know. So many. And this only used 3. No, I only used 2 envelopes and 1 card. So, you know, but it is a great project, and you don't have to use these. These are 5x7. You can use any envelope that you have in your stash, or even make your own for it's really easy. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crank the Heart.